Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are starting with prepositions for ISC 11th and 12th boards. I'm expecting you to take up a notebook and a pen so that you write the answers to these questions. I'll be dictating them and also telling the answers. You can comment your score in the comment section. Apart from that, some students were asking me about how to tackle these prepositions. They don't know what to fill in. You know that this time you're getting four options, and out of that, you have to choose and pick the right one. The problem here is you will be confused sometimes while choosing the prepositions, but if you practice it a lot, then you can be better and you can master it. Because I've seen people practicing prepositions, like they practice around 15 exercises in 2 weeks, and then they are better in answering these prepositions. So let's start with the first question. The school board agreed dash look into the students' complaint. Answer is 2. Question number 2. The school board then agreed dash the course of action. Answer is on. The benefits dash providing students with lunch at school, comma, far outweigh the logistical challenges. Answer is off. Question number 4. Most students benefit dash interactions with fellow students outside school hours. Answer is from. Fifth, the latest set of losses resulted dash the captain losing her job. Answer is in. Sixth, Celine clashed dash her boss in the last meeting. Answer is with. They clashed dash the tone of the presentation. Answer is over. Eighth, I forgot dash buy the medicine in time. Answer is 2. Ninth, I completely forgot dash the strike the next day. Answer is about. 10th, Janice asked dash a cup of tea. Answer is for. She asked dash the place where the tea was from. Answer is about. 12th, Shobha asked dash the directions to the shop, but no one seemed to know the exact address. Answer is around. 13th, our car broke dash in the middle of nowhere. Answer is down. 14th, Lisa broke dash when she got to hear the results. Again down. She then broke dash with Sam because he refused to help her. Answer is up. It seems Sam's house was broken dash last evening. Answer is into. 17th, a mini riot broke dash as soon as the ice cream truck arrived. Answer is out. 18th, the opposition party worked for over a year to bring dash the president. Answer is down. 19th, the moment I bring dash the topic of my vacation, my boss changes the topic. Answer is up. We haven't met in ages, comma, let's catch dash sometime soon. Answer is up. I called the team dash to my place to celebrate. Answer is over. I called dash my boss to let him know I would not come in the next day. Answer is up. One piece of advice I would like to give you is when you attempt the preposition part, please do not see the options first. You have to yourself answer the question without seeing the option, and if it matches to the option list, then you should go for it. Because they'll try to perplex you by giving those four options that might sound appropriate, and whenever you read the sentence, it will sound that it is correct. So it's better for you to practice and try to do at least 3 to 4 exercise in 1 week. This is exercise 2 of prepositions, and you can try this. I'll give you the questions. You can take screenshot of this, or I'll leave the link of this website in the description box. The answers are also provided. You can see. Thank you for watching the video. I'll not stretch it because it is just wastage of time. Make sure to comment your score. Thank you.